SpongeBob reference. This is a little hard to see here. A little bit of light for now. Turn it off when I go to the bottom part. Yes, this was like paint. Absolutely like the worst game of Jenga you could imagine ever trying to get this up here. Now, for the bottom. Don't ban me for my figurines, YouTube. I swear to God, they're statues, they're art. Deal with it. This here is my snake wand from Harry Potter. My little Green Ranger statue stand I made. Now, I'm warning you guys ahead of time. There is boobies, but of a different kind. And YouTube, they're freaking statues. Get over it, it's art. I swear, if you ding me for this. Now these little, this one here is a Wendigo. And, ow. That one, it's a little harder to see, is a lizard lady. And they are very detailed. Got my Kingdom Hearts Donald right here in front of the wizard ball appropriately. Oh, I forgot to turn this on. This back here makes it look cool too. Wow. That is appropriate, right? Got my, oh, my ashtray's in the way. Get that out of the way. Now I got my White Ranger head over here, the little mini Nerf hoop. Let me get the camera in here. It's a little difficult of an angle even if I'm on a stick. So I got my Mary Jane lighter back there, my clap trap, my little alien in a jar. That's a robotic chameleon? Yeah. So my little Animal Crossing calendar that came in the box. My Pokeball right here. That is something else that I'm not going to mention on YouTube. So right here, that is the Imperial Star Destroyer. Yeah. Check that out. Try to get it to focus. The light shifting does not make it easy for a camera to focus. Anyway. And over here, it's hard to see. Turn the light on for this. Got my Batman Beyond Hot Wheels. This is actually cool because this one's metal and it has like a little stand. So it's actually really well built. My headphones, my other Pokeball over here, that one's functional actually. That's a like original one. Now moving on. Todd McFarlane Dragon. Now this was kind of a task, but it's well worth it, in my opinion. So I'll show off what I got in the case here. Oh God, I put a lot of work into that. I'm tired today. No, so these are like all my Hot Wheels lined up here. The Mario Kart ones to the front. Some of the ones in the back, they're like the dinosaur ones. Some varied in between ones, stuff like that. Get a different angle over here. Let me see. But yeah, so those are. It's the start of my new Hot Wheels collection. Considering I had them as a kid, but not anymore. Mini Kingdom Hearts figure. Kratos right here. Ooh, the lighting's not very good because it's being washed out, but it's Kratos. Viking Kratos. Mini Monopoly. mini Ikis, Hot Wheels, the little dogs. I am going to add other stuff to this later, but I figured since the lighting was complete, I should show it off. Ow. And yeah, it's sound responsive. I'll do a little blip on that too. Ow. Okay, now that I'm back up. God. So, these are like collectible. They're kind of like challenge coins, but not entirely. One has Peach on it, and the other one's a rupee from Zelda. I do have a couple other ones I need to add to that still. Moving on. So, anybody who's a nerd knows what these are. Turn the light on. These are the 20th anniversary Digivices I have. I have one more in a box I want to put up, a green one, but I don't want to open that one. These two I have to play with. This one I made actually have a wristband. Normally I'd have these in bags. Like, this is literally just to show it off. But, you know, sun damage on the screen, not good. So, okay, there we go. Now we're back. So, I got these bad boys today too. Some old N64 carts. I would love to find somebody who could ROM hack these for me, since Nintendo loved to shut down Cool ROM and everything else. So these are like little Kinder guys from the Kinder Eggs. Same thing with that red guy. He's like an emoji thing I got out of a coin machine. But the little mini Luigi here, you pull him back and he goes forward. Mini Pikachu. These were actually pretty cool. I don't know if I can... Hopefully I can get the detail. Yeah, so these are like little zombie figures, but some of them are like historical. So I got like Abe Lincoln here. And this dude's just in a vat of waste. But moving up, I need to put my Dragon Ball in there. I'm ashamed I didn't put it in here before. These are like my mini pops of DBZ, but believe it or not, I actually found these guys at Dollar Tree one day. I was like, oh, hello. I bought a bunch and then got dupes until I had most of the set. I'm missing a couple. Moving on. So this is like my horror pops. Got Jaws is here in the corner. He's pretty sick. They're all vinyl. The SS Georgie from It. Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. Oh god, I'm gonna get slaughtered in the comments. Shock. And the Harlequin Demon. Over here, these are some more I just need to put in, but my Dragon Ball. Yeah, it's a 7-star. Now, these aren't perfect because I need to change the lights on, the batteries, excuse me, in those. But, so we got Harley Quinn next to Batman. And then over here, this is Baby from Five Nights at Freddy's. Shadows up here with Big Daddy from Bioshock. Of course, I had to give him like his whole stand. He's big. Not to mention he's like one of my favorites. And way up at the tippy top, we got the Omni Blade. And over here, dupe, my little gargoyle friend. And then another gargoyle. This is a Covenant right here from Halo. He's like a Lego or a Mecha Constructs, something like that. Good old Spider-Man on the corner here. And oh god, I always forget his name. He's the dude in the bar from Star Wars when Greedo and Han had the shootout. The guy with him. But he's actually, I guess, for the series considered a rare. But as many of these as I have, this one right here is my pride and joy. And no, I'm not taking it out of the case. I found it for a steal at a flea market. But yeah, it's one of the little sisters, and yes, she's packaged, she's in the box. Nothing has been touched on her, and no, she's not for sale, so don't ask me, please. Alright, well, I'm going to back up a little bit, try to get a bigger wide pan shot here. Let me see. Okay, I'm zoomed out all the way. But, yeah, so this is my new bench that I'll be recording from, guys. Hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you liked watching me build this over the last week, whatever it's been. Alright, you guys take it easy out there. Like and subscribe for more, and you guys have a good day or night.